A lot of lamps look very nice on the listing page, but when you set them up, sometimes light could be very harsh or too dimmable. So let's actually go set these lamps up, see how they look on top of our nightstand, and then share my overall thoughts with you. Hi friends, welcome back to Clicks That Create Smiles. And today I'm opening the set of two modern table lamps. I really want to check them out. I want to see exactly how they look like. I want to set them up too, because that's part what really matters. Does they really stand up to the hype? How they look like? And is it really easy to set it up? So let's start with unboxing first. So as you can see, I ordered actually a set of two. And this one is black and gold parts right here. So let me set it all up, unbox it all, and show you how it looks. So far, it actually looks pretty good. The box is very sturdy. I think all of the hardware is right there inside the box. And here, right on the bottom, we actually have the stand. So now actually I want to open the instruction manual, see how it looks inside. It includes a couple of the bolts right here. And let's check how to set it up. So I love that the company packaged very, very well. They also include for you two like small screwdrivers and 4 screws right here. But I wish they can include a little bit more of them just in case, one goes missing or something like that. So as far as the packaging, I kind of love it, but I wish they would put a little bit more protection part right here too. So first of all, let's prepare our base right here. And I also want to mention that I love that they have like a small padding right here on the base, so you don't need to worry about scratching your surface. So we can put it right here. It also has these 2 little small screw holes, so it will be very easy to put it together. So here's our small screws right here, and as you can see, is a little bit holes right here. Let's just start with the screws. Good, they include some little screwdrivers here. Can work with my nails. Okay, so we can just do one. I wish the company would include just one extra screw, because I'm sure you have screwdriver at your home, but not if you lose one matching screw. That would be really, really hard. Always appreciate if there's a little bit extra. Okay. So yeah, let's just put it right here. Make sure we tighten it. Yeah, so the first one is actually ready. And you can actually see the padding right here, but you can kind of see the difference. This is metal, this is just lighter padding. So yeah, the first one is done. So let's actually do exactly the same with the second one right here. So here we are unboxing our lamp. So first of all, we need to pull it. It's a little bit tight, as you can see, but just, go slow. And yeah, you can go past that part. So that should be good. And we're basically doing exactly the same with this one too. I also want to emphasize that the base is very, very heavy, which is nice, but the lamps itself are super, super light. So while they do look very nice and modern, I wish they would be a little bit more heavy duty. But yeah, let's just actually put it together and see how they look in the end result. So we're basically doing exactly what we just did with the first lamp. So here how they look after we put them together, which is super simple process. And now I'm actually ready to go and put them on our top of our dressers and look how bright they are and check them out. So here will be a permanent space for these lamps. And before we even plug it in, I want to tell you that I actually really appreciate that we have such a long cord right here. So as you can see, it's super dark right here. And let me actually turn it on. So look at that. And it also has this nice switch right here. So you can see it makes it more like cooler. It's more completely cooler, like neutral colors. Here's turn it off, and here's more warmer color. I think it also has like a dimmable feature. So you can see if you just press it and kind of keep holding it, it's more going from more dimmable to more brighter and vice versa. You can see you can make it more dimmable so it's more adjust to your side. And I think another point I love about this lamp that you can put more like a gold color up here. You can make it more black color right here. You can make it more like squarish or turn it maybe sideways. I think it actually looks pretty good. I love this nice design. I also love how it looks when it's completely dark outside. I also love all of these features of this lamp, and I think it will be such a great addition for like a very modern type of design. So let me actually go and hook up a second lamp, and we can show you it in a completely darker room, and we can show you with the lights a little bit around, but also see how they look on top of these dressers. So here you can actually see these lamps right behind me on top of our dressers. And you can see they add very nice and beautiful touch to any room. And here I want just to show you a little bit closer up look. And you can see we have our lights on a little bit. And I think these lamps could be the best for people who just want a modern lamp set and somebody who loves actually adjustable brightness, maybe different lighting modes like for bedroom, or you can actually put them like in the living room. I really love the way they look. It's super nice and modern design. I wish they could be a little bit more sturdy on the top, but I think I'm very happy they have that nice heavy-duty base. I don't think it would be good for somebody who wants more like traditional lamps look, or maybe need more like super heavy-duty task lighting only, like if you're planning to read. I don't think those lamps could be very suitable for that. But it's just for like extra decor on top of dressers, maybe your nightstands or like anywhere around your space. This could actually be such a great option. And here how they look when it's completely dark. And I can actually come and just change a little bit of the setting so you can kind of see like if you want maybe more cooler touch, depends on all of the furniture and decor you have around. And like I said, look, if we just make it a little bit more dimmable, just for like a little bit extra accent, for example, at night when you don't want too much color and maybe you don't want too much brightness. Overall, I think these lamps could be a very good solid choice. I think they could be lamps what can work in both like cozy nighttime light, or you can bring them more in a brighter everyday use. But the real question, how they feel once they actually in a room, and I think it's very solid good choice. Whether you like it more warmer side of them or you like more cooler tone, I think that could be great addition for any space. And yeah, if you like this kind of real life home testing, then maybe consider subscribe and watching more, because I have more videos about cozy home finds and dog finds coming soon. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!